Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. I know that I did. I had a great Christmas. My whole family came over to the house and we had a great time. New Year's was pretty damn good too, especially New Year's Eve. We actually got about 6 inches of snow here where I live at, and we hardly get that much snow here where I live at. So I had a blast. I grew up in Colorado, so I grew up, always playing in the snow and all that stuff. And when I moved down here to Arizona, that's one of the things that I really missed was the snow. So I was stoked to get that much snow, and I was able to get up, off of work a little bit earlier due to some things that we'll get into the video a little bit later on. But anyways, I'm gonna show you some videos that I took. I did what any guy would do on a snowy day. We did some pulls on the snow with the truck. That was fun. And actually took a bunch more videos too, but the audio quality was horrible on them. I was all wind noise. But I'm going to show you one of my favorite ones here. And of course, we did what any guy does on the snow. We messed around. We did some donuts, and I loved it. I miss doing that. Like I said, I grew up in Colorado, and I remember going to school early in the morning when it would snow to get the whole parking lot empty and just drift around. And we didn't do a lot of that this time, but I did at least get to do some donuts. So let me show you that. So that was really fun too. But now thinking back, I probably should have gone a little harder, but it's all right. We'll do that next time. So after doing that, we actually went to this place that I love going. It's probably one of my favorite places to film at, and some of you guys might recognize it. There was this hill that we went to, and I kind of did a few climbs on it. Most of them kind of like the pulls. I didn't really record them, and I just kind of did like the last few was just kind of to pose the truck for some pictures that I'm gonna be posting on Instagram. Which by the way, if you don't follow it, it's 928 OBS, same as the channel. If you ever have any questions either, you can DM me over there. But anyways, here's another clip of that. That was pretty fun too. And by the way, doesn't this truck sound good? I love the way it sounds. So that was really fun too. I know it was nothing crazy, nothing wild, but I was just trying to take some pictures, trying to take some videos, and just having fun. So now, the reason why I actually ended up getting early out of work is because my wife and my father-in-law were driving to another town when they got caught by the snowstorm. So I got out early to come and help them out because they kept getting stuck. My father-in-law drives a two-wheel drive truck, so as you can imagine, with any snow, any ice, those things don't move. So I pulled them out. And then he kept getting stuck every time I let go of him, so I ended up just pulling him all the way home. Which wasn't too far from the last place that I hooked on to him, so that was kind of fun. I know it's not pulling out any semis or any of that fun things that some of these other guys are doing, but it was something. And definitely shows you that a four-wheel drive truck is so much better than a two-wheel drive truck, in my opinion. And that's pretty much gonna be it for all the snow fun that I had. Like I said, I had a blast. I had a great time, and I really hope that we get a lot more snow like that the rest of the year. I doubt it, but I really hope we do. And like I said, if we do, I have a few friends that I think want to go off-roading with me, so that's going to be a blast for sure. So now another thing that I want to say is I'm really thankful, and I really want to give you guys, and I really want to thank you guys for the last year. You guys were awesome, great. You guys killed it with the likes, the views, and all the support. We made it to 1,000 subscribers last year, and hopefully this year we'll make it to a lot more than that. As you guys know, I have a lot of plans for what I'm going to do to the truck. We got to get the Super Duty axle swap done. We got to paint it. We got to do interior, all kinds of things. And I am definitely excited for that. And the next few videos I'm going to do are going to be actually some things for the garage that I want to do. I need a workbench so I can do, you know, more stuff on there. Because I don't have any spot to work on. So that is definitely a priority. And I also want to do some jack stands. So that we can actually do the axle swap, and so we can be able to level the truck out and have it sitting in a way that we can, you know, work on it. And I already have all the ideas for what I want to do. I just got to get the material to the house and start working on that stuff. But yeah, I'm definitely super excited for that. And another thing that I really want to accomplish this year, probably within the next few months, is get another project truck. I want to get a dent side, like I've said before. I really want to get a dent side. And I've been looking, they're hard to find at a good price. If they're in good shape, they're really expensive. And if they're at a good price, they're really crappy. But I'm patient. I don't need it right now. So I'm going to wait until we can find one that's just right. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. I really hope that you guys had an amazing holiday season. I hope you spend it with your loved ones. And I hope you guys had an amazing year 2018, and I hope that this year will be better for you guys. And I'm really hoping, I really know that it's gonna be better for me and for the channel. So anyways, thank you again so much for all the support you've been giving me. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button, because 2019 is gonna be a pretty good year. So anyways, see you later.